Hello everyone, this is Vishal Malo. My native place is in Triveni, Hubli, West Bengal, and currently I am staying at Salt Lake City, Kolkata, West Bengal. I completed my 10th and 10 plus 2 from Triveni Tissues Vidyapit, and now I am pursuing BTech in Computer Science and Engineering from Government College of Engineering and Leather Technology. I will graduate in 2020. I have a keen interest on programming with Java, C and Python. I also have a fair amount of knowledge on data structure, algorithms and microprocessor. Besides that, machine learning and data science have also inspired me a lot. My aspiration is to become a full stack machine learning engineer from a reputed multinational company. I have also worked on projects like a book recommender system. I am a passionate guy who looks to complete the given tasks on the given day. Besides that, my biggest strength is to work with a team and guide the team to glory. With all this knowledge and qualities, I am looking forward to work in any reputed multinational company and gain experience.